Welcome back. In today's video clip, I am going to show you what I think would be the trending and flavor of the year 2026. Matcha has been all over the place this year, so maybe it's time for something new, something different. Not quite new, but yes, what I'm going to show you today will be a new flavor which is getting so popular worldwide, and it is ube. So what exactly is ube? Originally from the Philippines, very popular there as a staple dish for a lot of things. Ube halaya, and especially ube ice cream. You can use it for cakes and also for desserts. And this time I am going to show you how you can use this flavor for drinks. The color is very vibrant purple, and the taste note would be nutty, also a little bit on the vanilla side. And when you cook this particular fruit, it becomes creamy and it is suitable for pureeing. So there you go, a lot of uses for this very simple vegetable, ube. Today's recipes will be focusing on one particular ube blend, and I'm going to make ube cloud. I'm going to use purple sweet potato powder, which is from Thailand, not from the Philippines. If you're from the Philippines, you can also find natural ube. I'm using a powder which is 100% natural, dehydrated, then ground to fine powder, perfect for my ube cloud. And because we're going to make cloud, I'm going to use half cream and half fresh milk. So I'm going to use my milk frother to make that frothy texture of the cloud ube. And for those of you that already have this version of my milk frother, this now has got two buttons. One is to froth, and the other is to turn the machine on and off. To make the cloud, I would suggest that you use a chilled pitcher. I'm using a clear one here so that you could see it. And then I'm going to first put my light cream. I'm using a proportion of 90 ml light cream, so this is half and half. If you have a half and half, just use that. And 90 ml of my fresh milk. Into this, I am going to use 10 grams of my purple sweet potato powder. And then we are going to use the milk frother to mix it. Suggest that you first give it a stir and then turn it on. And there we have our ube cloud. The smell is almost like coconutty. Very nutty, and also a hint of vanilla, as I have said. To make it per cup, use 30 ml of light cream, 30 ml of fresh milk, and 2 teaspoons of purple sweet potato powder. Stir and then froth until well combined and airy. Ube cloud, using per cup proportions. Now, let's find out how it tastes like with some of your favorite drinks. First drink, Ube Cloud Milk Tea. So I have here my milk tea into my 16-ounce cup. And now to pour my Ube Cloud on top. And this is my Ube Cloud Milk Tea. Next drink is one of my new favorites. It's plain floral green tea. This time I'm using an orchid green tea from Korea. Steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Into your 16-ounce cups, pour 200 ml of brewed tea. Add an optional sweetener if you wish. I am not putting any. Top it up with the ube cloud. Orchid green tea ube cloud. For our final drink is another application of the ube cloud. I'm going to use coconut as my base. This time pink coconut into your cup of ice and pour your ube cloud on top. Coconut ube cloud. So there you go, 3 applications of the very easy to make ube cloud. I'm going to start with my Ube Cloud Milk Tea, using black tea here as base, and of course the regular recipe, which is sugar, milk powder or creamer, and then your strong brewed tea with the Ube Cloud. Does it work? Wow, I think this is so much better than your regular taro milk tea. That is delicious. Now, for my jasmine green tea, Ube Cloud, this is so popular these days. You've got the chagi, you've got the molly tea. So this is just a variation of that, so making use of my Ube Cloud. Again, when you make taro milk tea, the base would be green tea. Now this is so refreshing because I didn't put so much milk, so it's just that plain green tea, jasmine green tea, and then top it up with Ube Cloud. This is, I would say, a good contender for that cream cheese tea, Ube Cloud jasmine green tea. And of course, this one is a clear favorite for matcha, coconut matcha cloud, and this time it is coconut Ube Cloud. Wow, that is so delicious that this could pass as one of my ube ice cream favorite, coconut and ube, perfectly delicious. So there you go, very easy to make Ube Cloud, and you can apply to your favorite drinks. If you have any questions about any of these recipes, and also do you think ube will be the next matcha, let me know in the comments below. So I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.